How does the court system impact children and young people? This video explores the intricate workings of the youth court system. From legislation to compliance, discover how each aspect supports the welfare and future of young individuals. The youth justice system is built on key statutes. The Children and Young Persons Act 1933 emphasizes child welfare in court decisions. The Children Act 1989 and 2004 focus on safeguarding. The Crime and Disorder Act 1998 aims to prevent offending. These laws lay the foundation for treating children differently from adults. Recent legislation reshapes sentencing and behavior management. The Criminal Justice Act 2003 redefines sentencing principles. The Legal Aid Act 2012 introduces youth cautions. The Anti-Social Behavior Act 2014 replaces ASBOs with civil injunctions. The Sentencing Act 2020 consolidates sentencing laws. Youth court follows a structured process from charge to sentence. A child is charged or dealt with out of court. They enter a plea, and if guilty, a sentence reduction may apply. The court often requests a pre-sentence report. Sentencing guidelines for children are then applied. Youth sentencing focuses on welfare and preventing reoffending. Children are seen as less culpable than adults. Age, maturity, and background are considered. The court setting is more informal to support child participation. Sentencing guidelines emphasize rehabilitation over punishment. Court reports provide a full picture of the child. The pre-sentence report is crucial for sentencing decisions. It includes the child's circumstances and risk assessments. The report proposes suitable interventions. This supports the welfare principle by focusing on the child, not just the offense. A good report informs proportionate sentences. It incorporates the child's voice and needs. Reports link sentences to realistic interventions. They help avoid unnecessary custody. The home environment contributes crucial information. Disposals range from out of court to custody. Custody is a last resort for serious or persistent offenses. The court aims for the least restrictive option. Disposals are tailored to prevent reoffending. They are structured to match the child's needs. Out-of-court options include youth cautions and resolutions. Youth cautions replaced reprimands under recent laws. Conditional cautions have specific requirements. Community resolutions focus on restorative outcomes. Diversion keeps children out of formal systems. Community sentences offer alternatives to custody. Referral orders address harm and causes. Youth rehabilitation orders are flexible with various requirements. Fines and discharges apply to minor offenses. Reparation involves direct or indirect compensation. Custodial options include detention and training orders. Detention for grave crimes is for serious offenses. Detention at His Majesty's pleasure applies to murder cases. Custody is only used when no community sentence is justified. It is kept as short as possible. Support systems help children comply with disposals. Yacht supervision coordinates requirements. The home provides routine and encouragement. Education and activities fill time constructively. Health services address compliance-related needs. The home plays a crucial role in compliance. It manages appointments and transport. Preparing children for appointments reduces anxiety. Keywork explains orders in understandable terms. Quick communication with YOT prevents breaches. Preventing breaches is key to effective disposals. Accompanying children removes practical barriers. Acting as a corporate parent in court shows support. Realistic conditions prevent inevitable breaches. Early problem detection avoids missed appointments. Breaches often stem from capacity issues, not defiance. They can escalate children towards custody unnecessarily. Prevention keeps children in the community. It stabilizes the home environment. Effective prevention focuses on realistic conditions. Response to breaches involves support first. Identify and engage to understand the cause. Formal warnings are given if necessary. Serious breaches return to court for resentencing. The home records events and continues support. The home should remain calm during breaches. Work with YOT to address underlying issues. Prepare the child for any court returns. Record events factually and inform relevant parties. Adjust support based on breach information. Consider current out-of-court and community sentences. Are the conditions of orders realistic for children? Identify practical barriers to attending appointments. Reflect on past breach responses and their support. Use these questions to improve practices. We covered key legislation and youth court processes. Sentencing differences and the role of court reports were explained. Disposal options from out-of-court to custody were summarized. Compliance systems and breach prevention were discussed. Responding to breaches with support first was emphasized. Explore websites and case studies for deeper insights. Sentencing guidelines and youth justice resources are available. Review the Taylor Report for system evaluations. Stay updated with recent official guidance. Use these resources to enhance understanding. Key references include various acts like the Children Act. Sentencing Council guidelines provide definitive guidance. The Taylor Review offers insights into the system. Youth Justice Board publications are crucial resources. Always check publication dates for accuracy. Understanding the youth court system is vital for supporting young people. This guide outlines legislation, processes, and support mechanisms. Empowering children through informed practices leads to better outcomes. This is the conclusion of the video.